Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So I'm super excited because I finally got my glass screen protector in for my Pixel 3 XL. Ta-da! This Caseology one. Now, I have no clue if it's any good or not. I got a coupon code for it whenever the 3XL first came out, and I got it for like $4. It retails for $12.99 on Amazon. So I'm hoping it doesn't suck. But you never know. So sometimes Amazon reviews are a bit and especially whenever it comes to new devices. You have to look very carefully. Sometimes they have older screen protectors, they rehash them. People put in fake reviews from before the phone even comes out. So let's see how this one works. Now, I'm finally going to take off this Note 9 Skinomi that I chopped down to size so I could at least have some form of protection, because I ordered this the same day I pre-ordered the Pixel 3 XL. Or the same day I got it in. So it's been about 2.5, 3 weeks now since I ordered this. So it's very annoying that it just finally came in. Let me open this box up. Alright, looks like it has a tray with it, so that's promising. I was a little worried about that. Welcome to the club, we're happy to have you. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Looks like probably a wet wipe and a dry wipe. Microfiber cloth. Oh, 2 alcohol prep pads, that's surprising. We got some dust removers, which probably are not any good. They usually are not. Alright, so we got our tray, which is cool. It's a 2-pack in case we mess up. So there we go. Everything we need. I'm going to save, normally, like I always say, I use these Zeiss lens wipes, but why waste mine when they have this? So let's go ahead and take this guy off. Goodbye, Skinomi, my friend. It's been a good run. I'll go ahead and clean the screen. Very, very eager to get this screen protector on here. I'm happy that it finally showed up. And hopefully if you order one, it won't take you like 3 weeks to get yours, because that's just ridiculous. But we had the same problem whenever the Pixel 2 and 2XL came out. It was ridiculous forever before you could get a decent screen protector. So I used a Skinomi for that one as well. Except I had a legit Skinomi. Alright, so as always, I like to use my packaging tape because it will pull anything off the screen except for the screen. I'll go ahead and wipe this alcohol residue off. Alright. So you want to make sure there's nothing at all underneath there. And even if you had a pre-existing screen protector on there, you still want to do this because you don't want to take any chances, especially if it's going to take you like another week or two to get another screen protector in. Thankfully this one comes with 2, in case you mess up, or in case one breaks, so it's always nice to have a spare. Anytime you can like pay an extra $1 or $2 and get the 2-pack, I highly recommend it, because all it takes is one little accident and then you're up the creek without a paddle. So if you have the option, order the 2-pack. Alright, one last sweep, just to make sure. Don't miss anything. Going as fast as I can, being methodical and making sure that I get everything as well as I can. And I recommend you do the same, because it's going to take an extra minute of work and save you money and save you heartache. It's definitely worth the investment. Alright, so no more tape. Let's go ahead and put this installation tray on here. Now it seems, it says where to go. So it says bottom right there, and we got top, so that's easy. So kind of hooks on there on the top and the bottom. And since we have a tray, I'd imagine we probably don't need any stickers, which of course didn't come with it. So go ahead and rotate this for convenience. Only got the sticker on one side. Pop this baby off. Put it on here, pair it up with the top of the tray. Drop it into place. There we go. It does seem like it could be aligned slightly better. Well, I say that, but it's not really sticking all the way on both of the edges anyway. I just need to press it down real good. Could just be the adhesive. Get these bubbles out from underneath here. Yeah, it does seem like it's sticking, but it's definitely requiring a lot of finger pressure to get this to go. There we go. So maybe it's one of those ones where it has to sit there for a little while, but either way, the screen is definitely protected, which is a super important part. Well, that side seems like it's sticking pretty good. Seems like maybe it could be shifted over just a little bit. Try something. I think I can do a better job. All right. Maybe that's a little bit better. Seems like it's lined up better, so it's just a matter of getting everything to stick on there now. Okay. Alrighty then. Well, this is the Caseology glass screen protector for the Pixel 3 XL. So I'm hoping that the sides will stick a little bit better here as the adhesive sticks. So it's not seeming to be overly friendly around the edges right now, but you get to see it in my follow-up reviews and we'll see if it sticks. So anyway, is it worth $12.99 right now? I'm not so sure, but there's not a whole lot of options out there for glass screen protectors right now. So we'll give it a whirl and see how it works. Anyway, that's all I got for today. So this is the Caseology tempered glass screen protector. And wish me luck. See you guys next time.